Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another useful video for your Windows PC. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove pin from your Windows PC. So let's start the video. First of all, select your start option here and now select the setting button. And after that here, you can see the option account. Click the account option here. And as you can see in here, your info, just click this sign in with a local account. That means you will log out from your Microsoft account, but instead you will use your local account. Just click it here, and after that select the next here, and here give the pin from your PC and select OK. And you have to give a username here. If you want to change it, you can change it. If you want to remove the pin, just keep this empty and give any password hint. Just hint. Want to give it a hint. And after that, all you have to do is select next here. And after that, just click this sign out and finish. Your computer will restart and your pin will be removed. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.